Alright, so the data that I chose to look at was the age of mothers when they give birth. And it starts with, we can see here, 15 to 19 years old, and then the oldest is 40 to 44 years old. And there are these various different age groups that they looked at to see when women are giving birth, what age they're giving birth. And we can see that over these 30 years, the overall trend is that women are giving birth at older ages rather than younger. So in the 1990s, 15 to 19 years old, there were significantly more teenagers giving birth, and that has decreased most significantly in this data. And then the 40 to 44-year-olds have significantly increased. And we can see, as well as with the 35 to 39-year-olds, that has also increased. So we see a trend where women are giving birth later in life. And this is important because the later that women give birth, the less children they're going to give birth to, because of the decreased years that they have to have children. And this impacts the total population. We've heard a lot in the news about a drop in population numbers, and this is a factor that goes into that. It also has the potential of impacting the health of the baby and the health of the mother, because there are more health risks at play when women are older when they give birth. And then if it asks if they are credible, and I would say they are. They are from a journal given by the National Vital Statistics reports from the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, which is so it's a credible source. All the authors are credible as well, and they are also from a recent date, so 2018. The final data was from 2017, so it's very credible. Other considerations that would be interesting to look at with this data are maybe the relationship between the age of the mother and the race of the mother. See if there's a correlation between other races giving birth at specific ages. And then also maybe looking at the age of the mother compared to the health of the baby. And you could look at that in terms of when the baby was born in gestational age, as well as preterm births or infant deaths as well.